Hi there, it's Shirley from WTI. And when it comes to decorate my room, I always look curtains that add an elegant and simple touch. And these white curtains are the best for me. I love white and I always look for things that I like. And even though these curtains look plain, I love that they have a simple design that adds a very beautiful ambience. They are very easy to put up. I can do it myself in less than 3 minutes. They are lightweight, and the design for hanging them with those rings adds a special touch. I can put it then anywhere on my windows or the balcony. They are very easy to watch. I just take them down and put them in the washing machine to make them look even cleaner. During the day, I like to leave the windows open to ventilate my room, and when I want to sleep in, I like to complement with them black out curtains. I can place it anywhere in the living room or in the balcony, whenever. My room looks spectacular and it makes me feel to stay in all the time, and that's my point of view.